Move over chicken parmas. There's a new kid in town. This is my fancy as duck parma. So we've got two beautiful fresh duck breasts here. Now I'm going to peel the duck skin off. Then I'm going to put another piece of cling wrap on the top. Then I'll get my trusty rolling pin and we're just going to bang our schnitzels out just till they're a nice even thickness. Now we're going to set up for our crumbing station. We've got our flour. I've just got 2 eggs that we've cracked into here. So we'll get a good tablespoon of Dijon mustard into our egg mixture. Then we've got some panko breadcrumbs here. To add a bit more flavor to our breadcrumbs, I've got some dried tarragon here. Then I want to season our duck really well, just with some salt and some pepper. Now let's let the crumbing begin. So first we want to go into our flour mixture, and then we'll go into our eggy Dijon mustard mixture, and then into our tarragon panko crumbs. So I've just got a frying pan here, just on a medium heat, and I've just covered the bottom with a vegetable oil, and we're just gonna fry our schnitzels for a few minutes either side until they're golden and crunchy. All right, our schnitzels are done. It's time to fry up our garlic and herb mushrooms. So I've got 50 grams of butter here into the frying pan. Now we can go in with our mushrooms. I'm using Swiss brown mushrooms today because I think they've got a really great flavor. We've got some fresh thyme that I want to add in as well. Now we can go in with our garlic, and then I'm going to throw in some fresh parsley. Okay, so to build our parmas, we've got our beautiful duck schnitzels here. A few slices of ham just folded over onto each schnitzel. Then we're going to get some of our beautiful herb and garlic sauteed mushrooms. Then you can't have a parma without cheese, but we're going a bit French today with a nice camembert. How good do they look? Now we're gonna pop these under the grill till that camembert gets beautiful, ooey and gooey and melted. Then it's time to eat. There you go, guys. Make your own duck parmas at home. Very French and fancy as duck.